Hello, and welcome back to MegaFactory. On today's journey, we are diving into a flavor we all know. I bet almost every one of us has tasted the creamy richness of Hellmann's mayonnaise at some point. But have you ever paused to wonder, how is it actually made? Well, today, we are going to solve that mystery. Come with me as we step deep inside the largest and most advanced mayonnaise factory on the entire planet. It starts out here in these bright yellow fields, growing ingredients for the oil. Giant steel silos shine under the sky, storing nature's bounty safely. And look at this, thousands of fresh eggs rolling in, ready for their big moment. They get a gentle shower in this clear water spray to ensure they are spotless. Then this machine cracks them with amazing skill. It never breaks a yolk. See that rich orange stream? It separates perfectly from the egg whites. Overhead, clear glass pipes carry pure vinegar across the factory ceiling like a highway. Pure sea salt pours down like a white waterfall into the mix, and fresh lemon juice adds that zesty tang, flowing steadily into the tanks. Everything meets here at the central hub, where pipes deliver the oil, eggs, and vinegar. A laser scans the oil flow to guarantee it is crystal clear. Inside the giant steel mixing vat, it is absolutely spotless and shiny. High-pressure jets blast the oil in, creating a powerful swirling liquid tornado inside. The yolks drop right into the center, blending colors together. The mixer starts, turning separate layers into a smooth, pale yellow blend. Now the mixer kicks into high gear, whipping the sauce into a thick vortex. Suddenly, it transforms into that iconic creamy white color we all love. The surface becomes glossy and smooth, with no air bubbles left at all. A robotic arm dips in to scoop a tiny sample for a quick quality check. The tester proves the texture is thick and holds its shape perfectly. Satisfied, the creamy river flows over the edge, heading towards the jars. Thousands of empty glass jars line up, marching straight on the steel belt. Steam puffs inside each one to make sure they are sterile and safe. Then this massive wheel fills 64 jars at once with incredible speed. The nozzles inject the white sauce and cut the flow off cleanly, no drips. Cameras watch closely to ensure every jar is filled to the exact same level. And here come the famous dark blue lids sliding down the chute. The machine twists the blue caps on tight to lock in all that freshness. A heat seal adds a layer of protection as they pass through. Then the jars enter a long cooling tunnel to settle the creamy texture. Look at those labels spin. The real ribbon design is ready to go. The machine wraps the label around the glass faster than you can blink. Lasers quickly etch the date and a tiny real mark on the cap. Cameras scan the blue ribbon logo to make sure it is perfectly straight. Finally, we see thousands of finished jars, glowing white and lined up perfectly. But wait, the path splits. Valves send the sauce to two new flavor tanks. Just imagine the smell of this roasted garlic, golden and fragrant. It gets ground into tasty little bits. Meanwhile, bright red chilies are milled into a smooth, fiery paste. The garlic pumps right into the white base to add that savory punch. On the other side, spicy chili paste and paprika blend into the mix. The stirrers work their magic. One turns creamy beige, the other a vibrant salmon pink color.
Up close, the garlic sauce is glossy with delicious little specks floating inside. The spicy version is smooth, consistent, and glows with a warm orange color. Now 2 conveyor belts run side by side, ready for these exciting new flavors. The thick garlic sauce fills the jars, carrying those real chunks of flavor. The spicy sauce flows in smoothly, filling the jars with creamy heat. The garlic jars get a special beige lid to tell them apart from the rest. And the spicy ones get topped with a bright orange cap that pops. The labels are different too. This one shows roasted garlic bulbs clearly, and that one features a bold red chili pepper to warn you of the heat. The machine slaps the garlic label onto the jar with the creamy beige sauce. Then the spicy label wraps around the one with the pinkish hue. From above, you see the 2 colorful lines running together. It's quite a sight. Safety first. X-rays check the garlic jars to ensure no hard bits got in. Sensors scan the pink sauce to match the color to our standard. In the lab, samples of all 3 types sit together for a final comparison. A spoon drags through the garlic sauce, showing off that thick, textured quality. Cleaning is automatic. High-pressure water washes away the red sauce for the next batch. Sunlight hits the spicy jar, making that orange color shine beautifully. The garlic and spicy lines merge back with the main flow for packing. You can see the sharp details on the roasted garlic label here. And look at the glossy pepper on the spicy jar. It looks so fresh. The board shows all lines are running smoothly. Now for the boxes. The machine builds cartons with the blue logo for the classic, and these boxes get the spicy red branding to match the product. Robotic arms gently pick up 12 jars and drop them into the blue box. The spicy orange jars go straight into the red labeled cartons. Machines tape them shut and slap a barcode sticker on the corner. The robots are smart. They stack real on one pallet and spicy on the other. They get wrapped in plastic, but you can still see the Hellmann's logo shining through. The warehouse is huge, divided into blue and red sections for easy finding. Forklifts carefully load the pallets into clean trucks for delivery. And there they are, the trio of flavors, ready to bring delicious taste to your table.